Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by removing the silicone tips and any ear clips so you can access the driver housing. Once done, use a spudger to gently pry the seam and separate the shell. You'll see screws or snap tabs. Inspect the cable junction for visible breaks and test continuity with a multimeter to locate a fault. Make sure to keep screws and small parts in a labeled tray. This prevents guessing during reassembly and saves time later. You now address the mid-repair. If the multimeter showed an open conductor, heat the solder joint and remove the broken wire, then strip 1 to 2 millimeters and tin both ends before rejoining. If a driver is burned, swap with a matching replacement, aligning polarity markers. Use gentle pressure to seat ribbon cables. After soldering, slide heat shrink over exposed joints or apply flexible adhesive to restore strain relief. This prevents repeat failures at the cable bend points. You'll finish by reassembling the housing. Align halves, ensure gaskets and foam pads sit correctly, then tighten screws evenly to avoid warping. Once sealed, pair and play a stereo test track and exercise the mic and inline controls. Listen for channel balance and hiss. If audio issues persist, check for cold solder joints or loose ribbons and redo those joints. If intermittent problems remain, inspect the cable near the jack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.